installing this tile, this is the back wall of the shower. There'll be a curtain in front of it when we're using it because this isn't actually a waterproof tile. It is colored like copper, but the top is actually aluminum. And what we're going to do today is show you how to do a no measure scribe fit. So this tile is going to start in here, and there needs to be a cut along here to follow this wall. And I'll show you how I do that without taking any measurements. So the first thing I do is I figure out the tile that I'm going to use, find out what orientation I want it in so that I don't have duplicate colors here. And then I'm going to tape it right over top of the tile that's beside the one that I'm going to put in here. So I'm going to tape this up. So once you've got it taped on, the tile that is going to end up here, taped on over top of the next tile back as accurately as you can, lining up the joints. Take another tile, put it in place, and just scribe down the side. So all I've done is I've cut it on the scribe line by just passing over and over and over again with a knife at the workbench. And it's going to fit right in here. Now, truth be told, this is actually the second time I've done this particular tile. When I was filming it the first time, after I pulled the back off, when I was bowing it to get it in here like this, it actually folded in half. And once the glue touched the other glue, there was no coming back from that. So we wasted a $10 tile. So we'll try again. We just need to, it's really sticky back to tile here. Just need to get the two ends in and then there's a bit of a bow and just push it in like that. And then once it's in, we just roll it. But you can see how nice that scribe line is here. And that was with no measurement. I did have to do it twice, but no measurement.